Good evening and welcome to Back to School Night 2020 version. I'm Mr. Groening. I teach your child, your son or daughter, AP Physics 1. This class is an honors level course and is weighted. You may choose to take the AP test at the end of the year in early May at a date and time to be determined, but it's not a requirement. This is an algebra type of physics class, so if you are looking to get into an engineering career, for example, if you plan on going to Rolla and taking physics in college as an engineer or a physicist, generally speaking, you're going to want to take calculus-based physics. If, on the other hand, you are going to go into nursing or something along that line where you don't need to take a lot of physics, this could be your science course, and it would count towards that type of credit. But for those of you who are looking to get into any kind of engineering, I would say that this course will help you when you get to college, but the credits that you would get for an algebra-based physics won't cut it in an engineering school. So just that little bit of a caveat on the AP exam. But everybody's free to take it, and it really is up to you. Just want to let you know that this is not a calculus-based course, and engineering schools will require you to take calculus-based physics. So, since this is an honors level course, it is weighted, and it means that our grading this year will be based on 3 different, I guess you would say, topics. Exams, since this is an honors level course, exams are required to be 20% of your final grade. And since it is an honors AP level course, there are no exemptions. So I know seniors a lot of times think that if they've got senior privilege, they get to be exempt. But since this is an AP course, generally speaking, exemptions do not apply to those courses. Summative assessment, which would include tests and major projects, would compromise 60% of your grade. Finally, formative assessment, which would include things like homework, classwork, quizzes, things of that nature, that's going to come up to be roughly 20% of your grade. So again, you can see this course is heavily weighted towards tests. Some of the things that we'll cover in the first semester include kinematics, which we're covering right now, along with some of the basics of the metric system. But kinematics is the study of motion. We'll go into Newton's laws, momentum, and then finally work, energy, and power. Those are the 4 major topics we cover in the first semester. So if you break it down, it comes to be about 3 to 4 weeks between tests. So as of right now, I would say we'll probably have 4 tests in the first semester. Then in the second semester, we have gravity, rotational motion, mechanical waves and sound, and then finally electricity. Again, when you do the breakdown, we will stop near the end of April to begin preparing for the AP exam. Whether or not you're taking the AP exam or not, it would also help you get ready for our own exam. It is a mixed group. We have some juniors and some seniors. When we're done and the seniors are gone, generally speaking, we have probably 3 or 4 more class meetings, about another 2 weeks of school. Don't think that you're going to get off. You're going to get to keep working. We'll cover some additional material, some bonus material that the seniors don't necessarily get to have. So again, about every 3 or 4 weeks, even in the second semester, we'll have a test. Additionally, we have 4 major projects that we do. Coming up here very shortly, we're going to be doing the Mars lander, aka the egg drop. Keeping with our space theme, later on, hopefully on October the 4th or thereabouts, and for those of you who know history and science, you know why I pick October the 4th, we're going to have our water rocket. And if you're curious, that's the date that the Sputnik was launched, of course. Then in the second semester, since it's going to probably be a lot colder outside and the weather won't be quite as nice, in the second semester we will do our mousetrap car project. And we weren't able to do it last year because of all of the the excitement of the virus, but we missed out last year on doing our file folder bridges, which is a fun project, and I'm hoping that we get that one in this year. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, jgroening@stdominichs.org. And I'm really looking forward to this year. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it's really exciting, and I hope you all have a great rest of the week and a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and healthy.